Welcome to Gen Z English Academy. Dear student, today I will inform you some important masculine and feminine gender. Okay, let's get started. Husband is a masculine gender and the feminine gender of husband is wife. Father is a masculine gender and the feminine gender of father is mother. Son is a masculine gender and the feminine gender of son is daughter. And brother is a masculine gender. The feminine gender of brother is sister. Lord is a masculine gender and the feminine gender of lord is lady. Bull is a masculine gender and the feminine gender of bull is cow. Man is a masculine gender and the feminine gender of man is woman. Okay, thank you.